Box Cloud Backup segment will help you to back up your entire Box files, including documents, photos, videos, designs, and presentations with ease. You can easily link your Box Cloud with this advanced software and back up all necessary files and folders with just a few steps. Let's see the step-by-step process to back up Box Cloud data with the help of this tool. Press Windows plus Q, type Kernel Migration for SharePoint, and launch it. Go to the Source section, left-click Cloud Backup, and tap on Cloud Backup. In the following wizard, click on Cloud Backup and click Next. In the Cloud Backup wizard, select Box in Cloud Services or Components. In Connection Details, select CCG Authentication, enter Client ID, Client Secret, and Enterprises ID, and proceed to Next. Select the Directories members from the list in the following wizard, then hit Next. You can select the members' files and folder data and proceed to Next. The software will pop up the Filters section, where you can select date filters and folder filters and tick file type masks, exclude file type, and include file type to back up necessary data according to your needs. Also, you can set an operation timeout for larger files while downloading, then proceed to Next. In the following destination wizard, browse to select the desired folder to save backed up file, and hit Next. The software will show the backup process in table form. When the backup is completed, the software will pop up the saving location of backed up files. Additionally, this software helps you to gain a full insight into your backup process through CSV reports. Also, you can download the backup logs to get information on your backup files. You can check out your backed up files in your local storage and then synchronize those backup files on your new account to retrieve all your data. To get detailed information related to the Box Cloud Backup, you must visit the tool's website and check out its advanced benefits. Have a great day.